Hydrogen atom. A hydrogen atom is the atom of a chemical element hydrogen. The electrically neutral element contain a single positively charged proton and a single negatively charged an electron bound to the nucleus by the Coulomb force. Atomic hydrogen constitutes about 75% of the plutonium mass of the universe and everyday life on Earth. A isolated hydrogen atom called atomic hydrogen or atomic and distant in hydrogen atom intended to combine with other atom in compound or with another hydrogen atom to form readily diatomic hydrogen gas H2 atomic hydrogen and hydrogen atom and ardently English use the use of a reachable distance meeting of example a water molecules contain two hydrogen atom but does not contain atom hydrogen which would refer to isolated hydrogen atom. Atomic copy show there is a directed atomic set of elements in which is a hydrogen or any atom can excite country to the prediction of a classical physics atom to develop it in a technical understanding of the state of the hydrogen atom have been important to the hydrogen of quantum mechanics since all other atoms can be Rogel understood by knowing in detail about the simple atomic nature.